Good morning. I am getting ready. I'm kind of already ready. I'm getting ready to go to my hair appointment, getting my hair braided. It is 7:37. My appointment is at 8. The place is only like 10 minutes away. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's go to the car. This is cute though.
Thank you.
Now, how do you pronounce that now?
Kikora.
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 Formerly Braids by Aisha.
Correct. Name change was the brand. Change, like the vision is changing now. I'm no longer going to be a workaholic. I have to go home to these kids.
The precious lambs.
See the kids? Yep. I put them there to remind me that's why I'm here. And I'm going home, but I have to be a mother. And this is my first week with no evenings, no weekends, and I feel so rested.
Okay, that's good.
Because you know I'd be tired.
Yes.
Okay.
Workaholic.
Yes, I have to let that go.
Nice. This is nice. I like it. Got the hair on the wall.
Yes.
Okay. We are watching Married at First Sight. These women are getting on my nerves.
Okay.
More specific, I don't even know their names. The black chick on my nerves.
Brittany and maybe Megan. This one right here.
Oh yeah, she's annoying too.
Who communicates so well, and I mean like spazzing out on anything. Like these men just holding themselves together, like them braids properly. I had a couple therapy sessions.
Especially
You know,
the black guy.
Self-aware.
Oh my god, he is so patient with her. What are their names? The black chick and the black dude?
Brittany and I don't remember. I remember Brittany's name. Got his name.
Yeah. God bless him. So patient, so kind.
This one here patient too. Them really want men that are spazzo. Them want toxic spazzo men. Is that gonna show you that he cares? Acting out.
Ugh. Zero accountability. That's why these men talking about us.
Not
us, but that's why they're having these conversations, because of women like that.
Correct.